Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy on Uniswap with Coinbase Wallet. In order to buy on Uniswap, you're going to need cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency like the BNB, the Ethereum, AVAX, some Polygon. These are all networks that are supported by the Uniswap platform. So if you do not have any of these tokens, you could easily use the buy icon at the top left to simply buy from your Coinbase account or to transfer from your Coinbase account, or you could make use of the receive option to receive from either a centralized exchange or another wallet where you hold some of these tokens. Now, with this in mind, once you've gotten yourself some cryptocurrency, be it the BNB, be it some Avalanche, be it some Solana, head to the browser icon at the bottom of the screen and simply go through the list of the apps. You'd find the Uniswap here. So select Uniswap, and once you've selected app.uniswap.org, that's the link, simply click the connect icon and select Coinbase Wallet. And now you would see that your wallet has been connected. The network you're on is shown, which is the Ethereum network. They have the Arbitrum, they have Optimism, they have Polygon, they have Base, they have Avalanche, they have BNB, and they have Celo. So depending on what you wish to do, like using the swap option or the pool, you could easily buy cryptocurrency here by clicking on the select token option. So if you click on select, any cryptocurrency of your choice can be purchased, from ApeCoin to Arbitrum on the Ethereum network, to Axie Infinity, to Badger Dial, to Big Time, to Blur, to Coin98. So all you need to do now is enter an amount of Ethereum, which is equivalent to how much you have, and then proceed to pay the gas fees, which are extremely high due to network costs. And you could easily get yourself some cryptocurrency using the Uniswap platform. So guys, that's how you can easily buy with Uniswap. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.